I want to make the following remarks that has made us to be here today. That there has been a challenge at the Kisii National Polytechnic where there has been a disconnect between the management and the students' fraternity. I want to say that the capitation which comes or goes to all TVETs in the country is a challenge from the national government. This comes at a time when I have just concluded a meeting with the principal of one of the institutions, TVETs, and the national government, which in its provisions under the TVET module, agreed to give a capitation of 30,000 to students through COSIPs and those ones who are self-sponsored. The national government has reduced completely the amount that it pledged to give to students. That is from 7,500 the first quarter, the second quarter which is 4,000, the third quarter 4,000, the fourth quarter which is 4,000. It is sad to realize that while every Kenyan is gobbling in poverty and people are protesting on issues of economic crisis and the cost of living, the national government has gone ahead not to disperse the fourth quarter of capitation to TVET students. It is clear that today that most TVET institutions don't receive this money, and I'm asking the president that he should follow up this thing immediately through the CS Education, Honorable Ezekiel Machogu. I will also want to request the CS to quickly follow up on the matter of running of TVETs, because there seems to be intimidation from some of the sections or departments in it. Now, the students who brought a claim to Juhudi Africa so that we can be able to give or preside a litigation against the institution have confirmed that the capitation was not dispersed in this last quarter. And also there are some of the junior staffs, especially the finance department, who are not ready to actually take the grievances of the students. And most of these students have started exams today, and I would like to wish them well and succeed in their examinations, because they are the future of this country. And I thank the principal, Kisii National Polytechnic, for taking immediate action to give remedy to these wrangles which are cropping up for an institution that was duly inaugurated to be a national polytechnic.